finally got my knife back. It's my Christmas present. If you're weak sauce, remove this, but you know. let's hold it together. Are you guys hungry after seeing that? If you're not, I don't know what planet you're from, but go back, okay? Now, to the hungry people, let's talk about chimichurri sauce. Okay, I first encountered it at a barbecue party a few years back, and ever since that day, I've been obsessed, okay? It was love at first sight. I put on everything I was eating. Did I go home reeking of garlic? Maybe for a few days? Sure, was it worth it? Yes. Okay, I think the same summer, I went to another house party, and instead of bringing wine or alcohol, I was like, this sauce is just gonna carry me through every social event I'm going to. Anyways, so my recipe, is it traditional? No. It's originated from Argentina. A lot of people do not add cilantro towards their recipe, but you know what I say, cooking is supposed to be intuitive, and it's supposed to be innovative, and always remember who you're cooking it for. I personally love Mexican cuisine and love the taste of cilantro. Usually when I make chimichurri, I serve it with a tortilla and eat it like a beef taco. So to me, my recipe works great for me. And I encourage you, look at my recipe, look at what you like, spicy, not spicy. If you want to add some stuff to it, please do. Here's my tip about cooking steak, okay? You just have to imagine yourself dancing with the fire, your cookware, and the steak itself. Calculate all of that in your head, and it becomes a dance. Control the temperature, which is the fire, and time, which is the rhythm. And if you understand that, you can't really screw up any steak, okay? So for me, what I do is I look at both sides of my steak, marinated or not, okay? Which side is prettier? Grill that side first, and you let it sit on your skillet for a majority of the time, so the beautiful browning and charring and that sear mark stays on that side. Now once it's like 50% cooked, you flip it over, okay? That, bless you. And that is when I start pressing on my steak, and it's like a little massage, gentle, like just double tap it and see, ooh, you know it's like not firm enough, to like, ooh, I think it's good. When you think it's good, intuitively, here's the thing. Pick it up, put it on your rack, put it on your butcher block, let it rest. Let it rest for 10-15 minutes. If you overcook it, that's totally fine. It's a beautiful piece of meat, and it just becomes a little chewy. But you know what? Someone near you is gonna love well done meat. But use it as a practice. Honestly, practice cooking, and then you'll understand the dance, okay? Anyways, if you don't know, now you know. I'm Kai from Pyro Kai, and if you love my video, even if you didn't, just hit that subscribe button for me, like that, and then share me with your friends. Let me share my passion, my fire with you, so I can feed your fire, your hunger, some food porn. Anyways, let me know what you want to see next. Comment down below whatever you're hungry for. I can do it. I will feed your fantasy as well. Sunday, Thursday, Sunday, it's food day. Feed me, I'm hungry.